Hi friends, welcome to the next session. So in this session, we will try to test the application and see how it is working. The mails are going. So first of all, uh, if you have went through the SMTP email settings, then you must have received the password. So you need to mention the password here. So let me close all and run this application now. Run as Springboot app. Maximize this. So we can see all this is working fine. So now let's start our Postman app. So we will use the Postman to test our REST API calls. So this is the first call. So you can see I have mentioned the URL here and the request type is post and URL is send simple mail. Let me open the controller. So in the controller, the first method is send simple mail. So we are calling this method and going to the body. So body, we are passing only three parameters. First one is recipient, mail body and mail subject. And all these three are properties are defined inside the email data class. Okay. Actually, we missed one thing here. We need to mention at the rate request body here. So just copy it and we need to use it in all the method parameter to a note like this has been passed from the request. Okay, let's stop the servers again. Control Shift S and we can go to the application again, run as Spring Boot app. Yes, the application is up now and you can see here Tomcat initialized with port 8081. Okay, so we are using 8081 and we are using calling the first method. So let's see our controller. So this is our controller and first method is send simple mail. Okay, and we are just using three properties from it: recipient, mail body, mail subject. So you can see the mail subject is like, subscribe, comment, share, and the mail body, hi viewer, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. So now just click on send button. Successfully send simple mail. So we can go inside this and we can go to the implementation from here. Now you can see successfully send simple mail. So now let's check. So we have received one mail here. The same mail has been received here. Now let's go to the next. So next method call is, so friends, I will provide this. I will provide all the database stuff, all the code. I will try to share them on the Git and I will mention the Git path in the description of the video. So you just don't care about all these things. I will share it in the video description. So second call, recipient, mail subject, mail body, attachment. So you can say second method is send mail with attachment. So here recipient is there, mail subject, mail body is there, but we have one more thing. It has the list of strings. So these strings are actually the path. So we are using some path to send the mail with the attachments. So let's click on it. Successfully send mail attachment. You can see this is the object we called. We sent this object and we have received the successfully send mail with attachment. Let's go to the and check the mail now. Yes, we have received one mail, and this mail is this one, and we have the attachment with this 1 2 3 4. So we have the four attachments. So you can just go here and check these. There are four, 1 2 3 4, four file path we have. So all this four file path, the file is attached with the mail. Let's move to the next mail. Third one, this is the third mail. You can see 8081 send mail with HTML body. So we are calling this method now. And in this method, we are calling with the recipient, mail subject, attachments, and final thing you will see this, it's a big mail body. And so let me just execute it, then I will show you what is this. Yeah, successfully send mail with HTML body. Just go to the email. Now you can see this wonderful mail is coming here. Computer application tuition. This is first POC, email notification utility, mail with attachment. Okay, now you can see this how this fancy text is coming here. This all this formatting has been given in the HTML. So it's showing us this kind of. Hello friends, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And then about the POC demo project for sending email notification. It's designed using Java, Spring Boot, REST API, MySQL database. It's first demo from my channel. Please subscribe and stay connected for future updates. Go to page, some links has been provided. Then this, and we have the same four attachments also here. Okay, let's move to the next method. So next method is, so we have this one method, last method, we can see send mail with dynamic HTML body. So I have used two calls here because remember we have two entries in our database. See, ABC broadband, invoice notification, NPS and investment. So let's go. So you will see recipient here, same computer.application.tuition@gmail.com. Mail subject, computer application tuition, first POC, email notification utility, dynamic HTML template 1. And we can also write here like an application name is ABC broadband. You can see this is the ABC broadband and template name invoice notification. So we are picking this template this time. And dynamic values, you can see if I just paste it somewhere, let me copy it. So here you can see there are four properties: username, month info, bill amount, and payment due date. So from here also we are passing the four properties here: username, month info, bill amount, due date. So let's make this 1100 and instead of Naveen Sharma we can make it Naveen Kumar. Okay, and due date we can mention 6 Jan 2023. We are okay with that. So now let's click on send button. Successfully send mail with dynamic HTML body. So let's go to the mail now. So see, this mail has been received to us. Subject is same as mentioned in the request. And dear Naveen Kumar, we change the name to Naveen Kumar. And November 2022, 1100, 6 January 2023. So all these parameters are same here. So this is completely dynamic, and remember this is just a demo, a POC, a kind of thing we are doing here to see how we can make a big practice, like big we can design this to support many applications, many templates across the company, like any organization. Okay, now let's move to the next template. Yeah. So next template we have NPS. See, the language is also different here. Is generated successfully, payment due date. But now if we go to NPS, let me copy the NPS one now. So in the NPS you can see username is there, but property month info is also there, but instead of bill amount here we have the invested amount, and payment due date is there, but here we have the credited on date. This is credit on. So we can have the any random property also. Let's say we are creating some new templates, so we are not limited to use this properties only. We can use any other properties, like we have many kind of invoice name, invoice date, invoice number. All those properties we can replace as a dynamic in the email template. So this one, recipient, the same mail ID I'm using here. Mail subject is same. I write written here dynamic email HTML template 2. An application is this time NPS. Template name is investment, and dynamic values you can see it's changed now. This is Sharma, month info, invested amount here. Remember in the last one we have bill amount, but now we are sending invested amount because this is NPS, and in NPS we don't have bill amount kind of thing. We have invested amount there. Credited on when the investment is credited. So let's change some text from here. Rajat Khanna. Okay. December 22. Let's write it. November. Let's write the complete spelling here. Let's make it 1500, and this one 9 Jan 2023. Okay, now let's click on send button. Successfully send mail with dynamic HTML body. So let's go to the check the mail now. Yes, your contribution is to NPS for month of November 22 is successfully credited. Invested amount 1500, credited on date 9 Jan 2023. So this is coming perfectly. So friends, now what I'm doing for your help, and I will commit all this code in Git repository, and I will place it inside this SRC main resources. So I will try to paste it database file also here, database SQL file, and also I will export this Postman to test the API. And remember, this is just a POC, and if you you are implementing this in your organization, in any production thing, and for any client, then you need to focus on some quality aspect also, some kind of things which will enhance and make it very reliable. So you need to work on that. So that's all from this video. And if you like this video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel and stay connected. I will be uploading this kind of POCs in the future as well. Bye bye. Take care.